both in terms of technology, in terms of ideas. When it comes to patient-centric care, what can hospitals really do to take it further?
Well, honestly, I think that if you're looking at how patient centricity is going to change, I think technology is probably going to be one of the biggest levers. As Devi was mentioning earlier in his comments, I think one of the biggest changes that has happened is that through probably information, the expectations of the consumer have completely transformed. So he's coming to you today, not looking at you simply as the the be all and the end all of what traditionally the doctor was the god kind of concept, versus now an educated consumer, miseducated or otherwise doesn't matter, but an educated consumer from his mindset, saying he knows what is his problem and he knows what to expect. I think that's the beginning of the technology transformation that's happening in healthcare, and therefore he's coming in charged with information. He's expecting a certain outcome, and he's going to measure you basis on what his expectation, and he has choices. And technology to start with is playing a lot of role from an information qua education space. The second is, again, how much of it you can do closer to home, outpatient, and have information on your fingertips, allowing you to figure out what's wrong with you rather than just doctor telling you. I think that's the second space that's transforming healthcare per se. And then obviously the treatment-based technologies, which is partly what Terry was talking about, which is getting you home sooner with less pain. Right. So faster turnaround times and less invasive. So it's health technology is actually changing through the whole paradigm. And as in our own federation we talk about very often, I actually believe that all the healthcare evolution that's happened in the last 40, 50 years, where really the whole IT and technology pace has really come into play in healthcare, all the changes in the kind of generations we've crossed over the last, say, 5 decades, just in the next decade, IT will do to us what healthcare hasn't done to itself. So the leapfrogging that's going to happen to the way healthcare is delivered is going to be done by somebody outside of healthcare completely. And not even healthcare professionals. It's going to be techies, to say the word, who are going to actually transform the way we do what we do today. We receive or give healthcare. And therefore, we're in a very interesting band where all of our stakeholders' lives are going to change by virtue of somebody who's doing something in his garage that has nothing to do with us.